Hey guys, Trevor here to break down the Ring Light Mini. The Ring Light Mini fits seamlessly into your space and delivers flawless up-close personal lighting with edge-lit technology. The Ring Light Mini shares some of the same features as the popular Ring Light Pro, but it's scaled down in size and designed to integrate seamlessly into your shooting space. Whether you're filming a YouTube video, streaming, or hopping on a video call, you'll experience the perfect balance of size and exceptional lighting. In this video, we'll break down all you need to know about the Ring Light Mini. Let's get into it. First, we'll start with what's included inside the box. Inside the box, you'll receive the Ring Light Mini, the phone mount, the edge-mounted light stand, metal tripod legs, USB-C power cable, the wall power adapter, and 2 cable management clips. Now let's go over some physical features so you know your way around the light. The Ring Light Mini is the perfect combo of size and power, built with a 12-inch diameter edge-lit ring light that includes a 40-inch stand and an edge-mounted option that attaches to most desks. Edge-lit technology means you get 120 high-quality inward-facing LEDs with a built-in diffuser that produces 960 lux at 0.5 meters, creating a perfectly balanced light, reducing shadows and eliminating bright spots so you look flawless every time. Moving around to the back of the light, there's an LCD screen which will display your light settings. To the left of that, we have the on-off switch, and on the lower left, you have 2 adjustment dials, one for brightness and one for color temperature or the warmth of your light. And on the lower right, you have one USB-C port for power. The Ring Light Mini can only be used while plugged into power, so this is where you will plug in power anytime you use your light. Above the LCD screen, there is a tension disc and a 1/4-20 screw. This is where you will attach any mounts you're using, like the included smartphone mount. If you're shooting flat lays or top-down content, you'll love that this light can bend 180 degrees with the attached tilt head. This is one of the light's best features in my opinion. And lastly, the most unique attribute of the Ring Light Mini, the light comes with 2 mounting options, which can be swapped out on bottom of the stand. Now that we know our way around the light, let's dive into how to use it. First, you'll want to determine which mounting option is best for your space. Use the tripod legs to place your light on top of any surface, or use the edge-mounted light stand to place your light on the edge of a table or desk. First, we'll start with the edge-mounted light stand for the ultimate low-profile mounting solution. This thing takes up almost 0 space on your desk. Simply slide the clamp mount around the edge of your table, then tighten the screw on bottom until it's nice and secure. If you want to use the metal tripod legs and place your light on top of any surface, simply remove the clamp mount on bottom and screw the tripod legs into the 1/4-20 thread on bottom of the telescoping stand. Or if you want a super low profile mounting option, you can actually mount the Ring Light Mini directly to the tripod legs like so. The telescoping stand ranges from 16 inches to 40 inches in height, allowing you to find the perfect height for whatever you're shooting. You can adjust the height of the telescoping stand by untwisting the fasteners and bringing the stand up to your desired height, and then twist clockwise to lock them back in, securing your light. Lastly, attach your Ring Light Mini to the top of your stand. To attach, simply screw the tilt head onto the bottom of the light, then slide the light on top of the stand and secure it using the tightening knob on side. As mentioned before, the light can tilt 180 degrees. Just twist the tilt screw to loosen and lock your light head at your desired angle. If you want your Ring Light Mini to face straight down for flat lays or top-down shots, the edge mount will be the most sturdy for top-down shots like this. Or if you're using the tripod legs, just make sure the tripod leg is aiming in the direction that you are tilting your light. Now it's time to power up your light. Plug the USB-C cable into the light here and the other end into a USB-C power. Next, let's flip your power switch on and your light will turn on. If you're like me, you probably like to keep your cables nice and tidy. And the Ring Light Mini comes with 2 cable management clips that you can clip onto the stand of your light to keep cables and clutter to a minimum. As mentioned, the Ring Light Mini is customizable both in brightness and color temperature. Adjust the brightness from 0 to 100% using the dial under the sun icon. This setting is reflected in real time on the LCD screen on the back. The Ring Light Mini comes equipped with a color temperature range of 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin to find the perfect light for any skin tone in any setting. Use the dial below the 3 circle icon to adjust this setting. These are conveniently placed within arm's reach so you can fine-tune your lighting without having to move too far from your spot. Again, this setting is reflected in real time next to the same icon on the LCD screen. Now that our light is set up, let's toss our phone in there so we can start creating some content. To mount your phone, first attach the phone mount to the 1/4-20 screw using the tension disc. Then extend the phone clip around the back of your phone. The phone mount can rotate from portrait to landscape shooting, as well as tilt forward and backward to find your perfect angle. Once you can see yourself on camera, dial in your brightness and warmth one last time, and all that's left is to create. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of how to use the Ring Light Mini. If you have any further questions we didn't cover, shoot us a message on social, reach out to support@lumecube.com, or post your comment in our LumeCube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.